Hey y'all, Jesucristo here. Today I'm gonna be talking about something that a lot of beginners struggle with because it's like really hard. I am a beginner myself. I started playing a couple months ago, not a couple months ago, like a month ago, seriously. And you know, when you start off, you play all the open chords like E, A, B, but one thing that will probably make you want to quit the guitar is the F chord. F chord is a bar chord. That is where you bar multiple strings at once with one finger, like so. That is very hard. When you're starting off, your fingers are not strong enough to do that shit. You have to build up to it. Wait, let me prove that I can do it. Hold up. I gotta set it up. There we go. As you can see, it's not perfect. I can do it semi-consistently. The hardest part is to get the strings that you're barring. So like the bottom two strings. I had a lot of trouble with the second string. That's for some reason my finger just seemed to skip over it. It got all the other notes, just not that one. The only way to really do this is, well, first of all, have the right technique. You're barring it with the side of your finger, like right here. You're not barring it like with this part. That's stupid. You're not gonna. It sounds like shit. You know? So bar it with the side of your finger. Everybody's gonna tell you that, you know. I wasn't really able to play bar chords. I actually gave up for a bit because I was like, oh my god, I can't do this. And so I went and I was like, oh, I'll play power chords instead. Like fucking. That's the first power chord in Smells Like Teen Spirit. It's an F power chord. And like I guess I realized this is basically just a bar chord, except you're not actually barring it. You're not playing the top three strings, I guess, or these three down here. And I guess doing power chords kind of helped me with the shape. Like, I don't know if that's a true thing. That's just my experience. Okay, I am just a beginner guitarist. I am not a professional. But yeah, play some power chords. It's the same shape. It's just you're not barring. You're not actually barring. Here is just my motivational speech. You just have to keep doing it, you know? Your fingers, you develop strength over time in your fingers, and in the beginning, you're not gonna be able to, it's just not possible. One other thing is like, you have to just find a technique that's right for you. We all have different size fingers, different strengths. It's like, you just have to find what's right for you. You just have to experiment. Like, this is not a universal, there's not a universal way to do this. Like, you have to find your own way. Checking Jimi Hendrix, he puts his thumb over the top to get the top note on the sixth string. That I can't do that. My hands are tiny, but yeah. You gotta find your own technique, you know. Okay, and one other thing. You can also like start up like another bar chord. You don't have to start with F. F is the hardest one. Everyone will tell you that. It's where I think there's the most tension in the guitar, and you have to press down the hardest. So start up like, I don't know, what is this? F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, A. I don't know the note names yet. Sorry. Let me see if I can do this. Not perfect, but yeah, that's an A bar chord, and you know, just start up there. It's much easier to do it here, and once you get the shape down, you can do it anywhere, you know. Or, we can't do it anywhere, but you will be closer to doing it all the way down here. All right. I don't know what other content I'm gonna do. This is just something I wanted to do. Adios. Adios.